Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build circle paper plane, easy method. Begin with a square sheet and fold it into precise halves for a symmetrical base. Create a guiding crease and form a pointed nose by folding corners toward the center line. Shape the wings with smooth curved folds to achieve the circular flight path. Finish with small stabilizer folds and a gentle toss to refine balance and distance. Lay the square flat and fold the sheet into halves to establish a central line. Bring each corner to meet that center and press gentle but firm creases. Fold the top layer into a rounded nose, then shape the wings with soft curved folds to encourage orbiting flight. Adjust wing tips and add small stabilizers as needed. Toss lightly and refine folds until the plane circles smoothly and predictably. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup between paper plane sessions effortless, with voice control and smart navigation to chase crumbs and stray paper. Imagine less sweeping and more folding time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check balance by holding the nose and seeing if wings level horizontally. Tweak until balanced. Modify the wing curvature and dihedral angle to tighten or loosen the circle radius. If the plane dives, trim a sliver from the nose or add a slight upturn to the trailing edges for lift. Use crisp folds and firmer paper for durability. Practice small adjustments and test flights to learn how each change affects circular flight behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.